Okay guys, so welcome back to another video, and today we will be going to pick up a new car over at Truck Planet. So we're gonna hop in the Camaro and head over there. Gosh dang it, we're low on gas, so I'm gonna go take it to get gas. Okay guys, so it's right in here. And 3, 2, 1. So here it is. A 1999 Toyota 4Runner. So it came with, I bought it with these aftermarket wheels on here. I'm planning on changing those, putting like more of an off-road style wheel on there. But yeah, here it is. And then, so we're just gonna take this for a little drive home. And that'll be about it. But I'm leaving the Camaro here because they're gonna do some servicing on it. I think they're gonna do a little body work, put a clear bra over the paint and do some touch-up work. So let's just do a little look at this, at the blinkers and stuff. Like, it's actually pretty nice. They're not LED, but it's a 99 Toyota. So what do you expect? it. Oh, it's very slow. And it's the limited trim, the bigger motors, but it's still only got 192 horsepower, so it is a little slow. Brakes aren't bad. So, as I said, it is very slow, so it's not going to be the best to RP with, because if I'm trying to get over in the other lane or something, I can't speed up real fast to get over. But it should work for what I'm planning on doing with it. Yeah, it didn't even get up to 70 right there. I mean, the body roll on it's not that good, but I'm planning on maybe lifting it, doing some suspension stuff with it, so we'll have to see. Yeah. But there it is. Thank you. Okay, well, that's gonna be about it. Here we go. That's it. That's gonna be about it. You know, we're gonna have some future mods coming to the 4Runner, because these wheels don't look the best on this car. Well, so there we go. Thank you for tuning in. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.